Thank you for stopping by Canvasworks. My name is Duane Smith. We've been producing products for 45 years for the marine and the OEM sew industry. Let's take a walk through the shop. You're walking into our main sew shop operations where we do all the large fabrication from upholstery to large welded tarps. We can build just about any size tarp from large to small. This is one of our fabric welding machines. We use it to produce high quality permanent waterproof seams that eliminates thread rot concerns on your boat covers. It also gives you no water dripping in through those seams. We're about the only marine fabric company that uses these in both fabric and also the vinyl machine. They travel up and down this table under their own power, welding the fabric together. This is an example of some of our upholstery work. The sun had destroyed the top of the cushions and it was a very nice ski boat, so we just replaced this one cushion, making it match exactly. We can do both single cushion repairs and also complete rehabs and reupholsteries plus flooring. This is our 60-foot, 65-inch wide Carlson plotting cutting table. This cuts and marks all of our fabrics so we get the exact perfect curves, perfect straight lines, and all the match marks that allow us to put all of that together. We use this in both the OEM world when we're producing products for John Deere, Toro, Caterpillar, Groundsmaster, Flow. We also use it for measuring big boat covers and all of the fitting of that. Besides creating new product, we also do a lot of rehab on pontoons and regular boats. In this situation, we're getting rid of the old carpet, putting brand new Infinity vinyl flooring on it, and then putting the brand new upholstery back on. We're in the aluminum fabrication shop. This is a 34-foot SnoCap that we invented about 25 years ago for enclosing an open trailer. It is a road-going product and it lasts approximately 20 years. The tubing is 7/8 aluminum 120 wall. This 34-foot SnoCap is going to weigh, when finished, approximately 500 pounds. These are our welders, both MIG and TIG welding, which allows us to take care of all tubular type products, both round and square, and get the heavy duty repairs to trailers and very thick aluminum. That's the welders that allow us to create these beautiful high quality structures that last forever. This is one of our SnoCap frames we're building for a guy in Tennessee. This whole aluminum frame will slip apart, be put on a pallet, and be sent to Tennessee where the owner will put it back together. They're very lightweight structures but extremely strong, and we can ship them anywhere in the country. And this is one of our finished pontoon boat covers. On this one, the owner selected to cover the front deck, which we always think is very important. We have got the tall pitch so the water runs off without cover tightness, which allows you to put the cover on much easier. We've got our fabric welded seams every 60 inches, 4-part stainless steel snaps. We've got our Velcro collars around the bimini top supports, and that's one of our pontoon boat covers. From all of us at Canvasworks. Thanks for stopping and taking a tour.